Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my third tutorial of the PHP course. In this tutorial, I will discuss about variables in PHP. So let's start now. Now the question goes to come, what are the variables? So A is a variables that define with the dollar sign. Here we any other character here. So and here we putting the value in double quotes, code with Adnan. And if we need any numeric value, then without double quotes and single quotes you put here. And the other question goes to come, how to write a variable's name? The right way and the wrong way. The right way is our variables is always start with characters and with underscore, and you can use also in the middle of the characters you can also use underscore. Here the fourth one is you can also use the hyphen in the middle of the any character. Here the fifth one is you can use the capital letter in the middle of the character. And the sixth one is you can use all the small letters. Now I discuss about the wrong way. You cannot use the variable with space, and you also cannot be used variable with the start of numbers. And the third one is you cannot use the special characters in the middle of the and in the middle and the start of the variables. Now I use my variables in my PHP file. So I make a new file, control S variables dot php. Here I made a variable a and is equal to double quotes hello code with Adnan. Here I am telling about this variables. If I want to use it in many places of the PHP file, then it can easily to use just echo and put the variable name a and save the file and run it my Chrome localhost variables. Here you can see hello code with Adnan. Now if I want to use this variables in many places, then just put here again echo and my variable name a, and just I copy this and save this file again, and you can see the hello code with none 4 times. Now I use a tag here, break, and save this file again, and here you can see the break tag is working. Now I remove this. Here you can also add another string, so double quote with concatenate, and I move it hello. I put good work here and save this file again. You see good work code with Adnan. If I use numeric value here for 5 6 and save this file, check it again, and you can also see this. Here I use another tag here. That one is h1, h1, and h1, and h2, and save this file again. And you can see here, good work, good work is h1 tag, and the code with Adnan is my variable that I use here. Friends, hope you like this video. If you like my video, then give me thumbs up, and please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. In my next tutorial, I will discuss about data types. So if you want to learn more, then watch my next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.